I watch them on the German represent for Lionfoot TV. You're real G. Tell them on the strongest soldiers get the hardest fight. Lionfoot Patriots out there.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place. So let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Yeah, man, bless love and great things. For I see the major hear the voice and Lionfoot in ears and eyes. You know? Yeah, I say give thanks to life, give thanks to the rising, give thanks to another day. You know what I mean? You know me always reiterate it. Today we're there, tomorrow we're gone. Life for the greatest. Yeah, man, so this vlog is a sad vlog, you know what I mean? And I want to send a speedy recovery to Boomdandimite and rest in peace to our young general, Flex. I mean at the UK, artist, you know? Yeah, man. Jano. Don't really know him much, but I see him in the party scene, you see it? You see it, my viewers and subscribers, and like him got Jamaican, you know what I mean? That's Dropout star. Don't know the full 100 of them Dropout, but I see everybody I post it on the gram. You see me? I mean I say Jano is a sad one, you know? Nobody knows. Viewers and subscribers, don't forget to like and share, subscribe, click the bell. You know what I mean? The more you like the content, the more YouTube put it out there so people can discover the channel. You know what I mean? Yeah man, if you are subscribed, make sure you click the bell. See? Yeah. Big up all of the hard-working people. That's what I say. Yeah man. So first and foremost, I say yo, speedy recovery to Boomdandimite. Met in an accident the other day, and him and I think some of his colleagues, yeah, and some of them come out. Even Maureen, right? Yeah. Huh? Yeah, back. Yeah, just finished now. Yeah, I came back Sunday.
Nice.
Yeah, it was good, man. Yeah, it was good. Chilling with families, huh? I was, yeah. So, yeah, yeah. But it was good though. Yeah, yeah. It's getting a bit chilly, yeah. Oh, it's not your cat? No. Oh. Okay. Good night. Yeah. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So I want to know about that, you know. But yeah, man. Boomdandimite, speedy recovery. Met in an accident the other day, and you know me, I said, Jano, is it? Sad, man, sad. Sad one, you know. Yeah, because I don't know, he never must make it, you see me, but it looked like him came off worse. So we say General B, R3 Toddler, the whole of them. Enough people say I post and I say, yo, speedy recovery, prayers to Boomdandimite. You know what I mean? So, yeah, man, speedy recovery, brother. Glad so we're not getting no sad news. You know what I say? Yeah, so I just say a thing, because I love we saying no love, we saying no love. Love is the answer. When you not like for yourself, don't do to others. You see me? So right now, the youth named Flex. As I say, he mean at the party scene, you know what I mean? And music, he's also an artist. I show now look at clippings of him perform. Since I watch what I go.
But people, this is not Gloria. The girl they want wine. The girl they want wine. Watch out. The girl they want wine. But me tell you a story before me make the girl they wine. Watch out. But a girl and she well look shot. She started telling me about what was right. Woman the freeze right now me in a shot, but my mama man I know where that the practice. Tell the truth, me don't care about that. Me just see the little printing to the belly top. She look for me every day, she let me know the top. So I look down the girl and start to think. Bring it to the one I like extra that. Me hear say that girl is well fat. See you know the dance to that team like that. Baby take on the fun to make the thing start shot. Yo, you don't see a mind what that by you. You don't see a you don't see a mind what that. Every girl when they run me up. Watch ya, watch ya. Me have a girl named Sherry.
Yeah man, I him that, you know. As I say, I don't know him like that, but see him at the party, you know, party scene, promoter, artist, see Andrew Fresh and all of them, Dio, you know, all of the Selecta them as a moon right now, you see me? Everybody a moon, and I say life, you can't take life for granted. Today we're there, tomorrow we're gone, nobody knows, you see it? Life is the greatest gift, you see me? You know? Nobody know when Mr. Data come. You see me? I tell myself to give thanks and praise. I live for 45. Enough of my friends and family were dead and gone. I wish they were still alive. Nobody knows when Mr. Detta go forward. At any time he can arrive. You know? Yesterday I'm going to do that freestyle. You see me? Sad man. So I just want to send condolence out to him family them and friends, you know what I mean? Co-workers them and I don't know the whole way an artist, so our fellow co-worker, you see me? Yeah, dropout star. And it's sad, you know. I say everybody feel it. It's a sad one to take. Yeah, but we just want to say people want to be careful, cherish each moment, relish every time you wake up. Pray to the Almighty, give thanks for life, making know so you're grateful for your eyes open, because enough people sleep where and the youth are Jamaica. Never know say him not going to visit to the flex. Zane, so that's the thing that start. Sad, you know, sad one. Sad one. As you may say, I know you wonder, yesterday, like, some wicked people out there where I live, you know, and the good one, them a drop out. But I don't know, we don't wish bad for nobody, so. You know, condolence to Flex families. Once again, and them co-worker them. Kids, if you have any, you know what I mean, his partner, you know. I send my sincere condolence from Lionfoot and team. As soon as my viewers and subscribers, life. When I live for 40 right now, you know, you have to give thanks, you know, man. I don't think Flex young, you see me? When I live for 40 at my age, I have to give thanks and be grateful, because enough people now, enough youths now live for age, they might drop out. But whether buy a knife or they gonna sickness and them things, especially in Jamaica, you see me? So when I live for 45, you have to give thanks, man. 40, 30. You have to give thanks. And just know, say, yo, you have life, you know. You mean have a car, a driver, you just about can survive, provide for your kids them or whatever. You have life, you can wake up and win the lottery tomorrow. Or the Euro million or something. You know? So once you have life, there is hope. You see it? Yeah, man, so it's very sad, you know? Very sad. So I just said I did a look of vlog still before I reach in my house. I reach home still, but I don't know. I just want to pay my respect. I say, yo, rest in peace, Flex. Gone but not forgotten. I know the G them I represent for you right now in the UK. Yeah, man, and I love and respect, man. Give thanks to life, man. You see it? Go shites. Remember to live good and clean, pure, honest, real, true. Yeah, man. Rest in peace, Flex. You know what I mean? Speedy recovery, Boomdandimite. And for the youth, them stop the crime, stop the violence amongst each other. I don't know, a Lionfoot. Big up all of my sisters and brothers. You know what I mean? I say all of my fam them. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, click the bell. Your support is highly appreciated. Remember, life are the greatest. See it? Alright.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.